Feeling lost today? God is guiding your steps, so trust Him. Losing hope today? God is not done with you, so keep going. Today's reminder: God's timing is perfect. Wait in faith. Feeling weak today? God is your strength, so lean on Him. This is for you, dear. God hears every prayer. Keep praying. Going through difficulties? God turns pain into purpose, so stay faithful. We're ready today. Give it to God. Let Him handle it. Doubting God? God has never forgotten you. So, trust His love. Fear strength to raise up? Faith is stronger than fear. So, choose faith. God knows everything. Nothing escapes His care. So, trust Him. Don't lose hope. God is making a way for you. So, believe. Today's reminder is: God's grace is enough. So, receive it. Feeling stuck today? God's mercy is new every morning. So, begin again. Don't be afraid. God opens new doors. So, be ready. Afraid of tomorrow? God is working with you. So, don't be afraid. Here it is. God keeps His promises. So, trust Him. Don't know what next? God is working. Just wait and stay faithful. Feeling useless? God created you with a purpose. Believe it. Thanks for watching. Bye.